Well, howdy, this is going to be 3/19 or Wednesday's work. And so it says eliminating systems. So what we're looking for is trying to eliminate x or y. And notice that the x's are opposite signs of each other. So all we have to do is we're going to go ahead and combine these two and do it vertically. So x minus x is going to be 0x and it's gone. -3 plus 2y is just simply a negative y. And 2 minus 3 is going to be a -1. So opposite of y equals 1, so therefore y has to equal +1. Because opposite of positive equals negative. Once I find that value, I plug it into either equation. I'll call it equation 1 and equation 2. So I take equation 1, and whatever I see in x or y, x minus 3 times whatever y, which is 1, equals 2. X minus 3 equals 2. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. And x equals 5. And so I can always check my work that it's going to be 5, 1 for my solution. And I take equation number 2. And that's going to be opposite order of x is, which is 5, plus 2 times whatever y is, which is 1. That's equal -3. So -5 plus 2 equals -3. So -3 equals -3. And it checks. And so it's going to be a good solution. All right, so let's go ahead and look at another type of problem. We're going to go ahead and do number 8 right here. Number 8. And you can quickly see that neither the x's or the y's are automatically withdrawn from each other. So we're going to have to multiply both equations. We'll call this equation 1 and equation 2. And I notice that 6 and 2 might have opposite signs from each other. So I'm going to multiply the top section by 2 and the bottom section by 6. That's going to make it a positive -12y and a positive 12y. The y's can disappear. Remember, this gets distributed to all three terms. And so 2 times 7 is going to be 14x. 2 times -6 is -12y. And 2 times 9 equals 18. And 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is a positive 12y. And 6 times 19, well, 6 times 20 is 120, so we're one short of that, equals 114. Let's combine like terms vertically. The y's disappear to be 0y, so we don't worry about the y's anymore. So this is going to be 44x equals, and add these two together, and that's going to be 136. And if we go ahead and divide those two, 136 divided by 44, it goes into zeros. I'm going to guess this is going to be 3 times. Maybe 4 times. No, not 4 times. Let's try 3 times. This is 12, 1, 12, 13, 132. Oh, it's got a remainder. So that's not particularly fun. Oh, we messed up here. We messed up. 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. 2, carry the 1, and that's going to be 32. So it is exactly 3 times. So x equals 3. Sorry about that. And x equals 3, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it into either equation. Equation 1 works well. 7 times 3 minus 6 times whatever y equals 9. So 21 minus 6y equals 9. We're going to go ahead and subtract 21 from both sides. -6y equals, that's going to be 12. And y equals -2. And so I'm going to plug it back into either equation, doesn't matter which one. I'll equation 2 here. We have our x and y, which is 3, -2. And let's test it. So we've got 5 times whatever x is, plus 2 times whatever y is, negative 2. Equals 19. 15 is going to be a positive 2. It's negative there. Negative 12 here. That's a positive 2. That's a positive 2. Positive 2. Plus 4 equals 19. So 19 equals 19. All right.